Good evening, everyone. My name is Lainey here at Harvick Farms, and I just wanted to show you how we're really utilizing the greenhouse from backyard portable buildings here right now. And so I just wanted to take you a grand tour. We actually have here a 12 by 24 greenhouse, and it's fantastic. So on this side, we're prepping all of our turmeric. And then on this side, we're getting all of our ginger going, and then we'll continue to wrap around all the way on the shelving. And then I will also most likely put them all on the bottom as well. And then we'll utilize this space for some more hanging baskets and everything that we're trying to prep. But this is fantastic. And the reason why is because turmeric and ginger actually need a warmer climate that we are currently at. And because I'm a little bit behind on this project, quite honestly, this is going to work out perfect because this is going to allow it to keep the higher temperature that it needs. So ginger and turmeric really need to be at around 60 to 70 degrees at any given time as we're trying to grow it. And so this greenhouse is providing that higher temperature that we need for this. And so here what we have and what it's accomplishing is the ginger and turmeric are actually going to be planted within rosemary, rosehip, lavender, and lemongrass. And we're utilizing all of that for our teas. And we'll have the turmeric and the ginger in between all of that, and hoping that with all the herbs that we have in between, it would also help deter any pests from the roses, but also for the ginger and the turmeric. So we're really trying to take more of a smarter approach when it comes to disease and pests while we're growing these things. And then the greenhouse is really going to help, like I said, get that growing because we are late in starting our ginger and turmeric. So I'm just now realizing that my connection may be a little bit different, so I won't go too far into that side of the greenhouse. But I just wanted to show you the space. It's really convenient. I can open up these doors wide open, which is really easy to get in and out. I can keep half the door open so it's not getting too cool in here, which I don't necessarily want with this ginger and turmeric. And then I'll be able to start even more things right on the bottom, like I said. So very excited to start to sprout in the next 3 to 4 weeks. The turmeric has actually been in here already for 2 weeks, so it's going to be a little bit ahead. I couldn't get ginger fast enough, and so there's a little bit of delay of getting those things, so they'll be almost another month behind. Not the ideal situation. I really should have been trying to start all this in February, but this was part of a whole grant project, which I'm very excited, and it's part of a SARE research grant. So we were able to get these funds in order to do this big kind of purchase and push to get these things done. So I'm very excited, but that's another reason why we're a little bit delayed. And as many of you know, I like to get a lot of projects going. So I'm really hopeful that this will turn out fantastic with the amount of space that we have. And so wanted to give everyone kind of a brief update and kind of showcase the greenhouse. It's pretty awesome, to be quite honest with you. We have our hoop houses here at the nursery, and then we have a large 40 by 100 greenhouse. So to have another one is just allowing us to continue on the path of us transitioning more to the food production side of things. And so our lovely friends Shannon and James that run this business over here with the greenhouses was just an awesome blessing, and it really worked out. So our hope is that I can give you more of an update in about a month. We should hopefully have lots of wonderful shoots going through here, but as far as this evening, I'm just trying to get all this ginger planted. And my sweet boys, as many of you know, farming is a labor of love. So they're over there trying to fill the trays as I'm trying to get them planted and kind of get covered. So if you have any questions or advice, definitely let me know. We have not done this on the scale that we are doing right now. So, it's different when you just have 2 to 3 plants going versus what we're trying to do now. We really scaled it fairly quickly. And so, but I'm hoping that we'll be successful or at least have wonderful opportunities to learn, right? Worst case scenario. So, wanted to also throw in a little bit of a pitch here. You may be seeing that we're trying to really try to tidy up and clean up and get things going. We have Spring into Summer Fest happening next weekend, which is May 10th, Mother's Day weekend. So our hope is that we can have a really wonderful, successful day and be able to have lots of folks join us in our community. There's actually, which is really exciting, there's 24 vendors that will be here this year, 25 actually. Last year we only had 14. So, yay, that's exciting. We'll have Wildcat Ice Cream out here. We'll have PC3 Food Truck. YMCA will be out here doing their youth activities. And then we also have Thomas will be out here doing his live music. And then we have 2 classes that day, which pollinator and perennials will be a really fun one. And we'll do a little tour during that class as well, kind of showing some of the perennials that we can grow here and the eco behind it. And then we also have a candle making class as well. So I hope I get to see all of y'all throughout the week, or at least this weekend at Spring Fest. And like I said, have questions, let me know. I will definitely get back to you because this is part of the journey that we're all trying to figure out. So until next time, Lainey from Harvick Farms, and have a great evening.